Welcome to WebShare Academy. Today I'll show you how to set up a proxy in Tor browser. Let's start. Go to Settings from the menu. Under Connection Settings, scroll down to Advanced section and click the Settings button. Now you will need to enter Proxy Server Details. If you do not have one, simply go to webshare.io. You can get 10 free proxy servers from WebShare. On the WebShare dashboard, open Proxy List. Choose a proxy server of your choice. We choose this first proxy address. Back in the Tor browser, we will need to select HTTPS connection method and enter proxy address, port, username and password as shown. If you want to run a SOCKS 5 connection, switch to backbone connection method in WebShare and you will get new proxy server credentials. Click OK to save the settings. Finally, click Connect to establish connection with Tor network, and that's it. Extra layer of privacy is added.